Welcome to this comprehensive analysis of the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're as excited as I am about the newest iteration in DJI's Mini series, you're in the right place. Today, we'll delve deep into what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro stand out, discuss its rumored specifications, features, and explore why it might just be the perfect drone for enthusiasts and professionals alike. In this video, we will cover everything from its potential release date to its cutting-edge technology. So, stay tuned as we explore the most anticipated drone of 2024. The design of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to retain the lightweight and compact nature of the Mini series, while incorporating some design improvements to enhance durability and ease of use. One of the key design changes rumored for the Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of foldable arms that make it even more compact and travel-friendly. This will allow users to easily carry it in a small backpack or even a large pocket, making it ideal for adventurers and travel enthusiasts. Additionally, sources suggest that the Mini 5 Pro may come with a slightly larger frame to accommodate a bigger battery and advanced sensors. Despite these modifications, DJI is expected to keep the weight below the 250-gram mark, ensuring that the drone remains exempt from strict regulations in many countries. One of the most exciting upgrades anticipated for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. Rumors suggest that it will feature a larger sensor than its predecessors, possibly a 1-inch sensor, which would significantly improve image quality, especially in low-light conditions. This would also mean better dynamic range, allowing for richer colors and more detailed shadows and highlights. Moreover, the Mini 5 Pro might support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and cinematic footage, an upgraded version of DJI's tracking technology, enabling the drone to follow subjects more accurately, even in complex environments. This feature will allow the drone to circle around a specific subject, keeping it centered in the frame while capturing dynamic footage. With this mode, users can pre-plan flight paths, which is perfect for creating consistent and repeatable shots. When it comes to flight performance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer significant improvements over its predecessors. Rumors indicate that the drone will feature a new, more powerful processor, which will enable faster response times and smoother flight controls. The Mini 5 Pro is also speculated to have an extended flight time of up to 35 minutes, thanks to an optimized power management system and a larger battery. The anticipated release date for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is around September 2024. As for the price, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be priced around $999, making it a premium choice among compact drones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest drone news and reviews.